Hey everyone, we are starting a 100-day Java programming course today. If you want to go from zero to Java Pro, subscribe and follow along. And today let's talk about Java. First, what is Java? Java is a programming language which basically means it's how you talk to a computer and make it do what you want. It's like Jarvis from Iron Man. You give the commands and it does the work. Java has been around since 1995 and it's still one of the most popular languages in the world because it's platform independent. That means you write your code once and it can run on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even on tiny devices without even changing the code. It's kind of like writing one message that everyone can read no matter what phone they use. Now, where do you see Java in real life? Let's look around. ATMs. Yeah. When you withdraw cash, the smooth menu you see and the calculations behind it, it's Java. Android apps. Most Android apps from WhatsApp to Instagram have Java inside. Netflix uses Java to handle millions of users streaming at the same time. Banking systems. Your online banking transactions are often powered by Java. Games. Popular games like Minecraft started in Java. Big companies like Amazon, Google, Uber, and even Airbnb, they all have Java in their system. So basically, learning Java means you are learning the language behind a lot of tech you use every single day.